Higgfield's AI Ultra Plan is a subscription tier built for creators who need bulk AI video and image generation. It offers 3,000 minimum credits per month, which translates to around 1,500 image generations or 500 Kling 3.0 videos. So, plus parallel generation of up to 8 videos and 8 images at once. So at $99 per month minimum, of course, when billed annually, it includes access to all models, early access to advanced features, and even unlimited use of several premium models for a year. Of course, you can ramp up this slider if you want additional credits per month. The maximum is 9,000, and it is priced at 270 US dollars. So reviews highlight its value for professional creators who monetize content, but for casual users the price may feel steep, and many of the exclusive features are still coming soon. For example, this Sedans 2.0. Um, in short, the Ultra plan is legit and worth it if you're producing content at scale, but hobbyists will likely find better value in lower tier plans just like the starter and the plus tiers.